Halo.
How are you, Paiza?
I'm good.
What? How was your school, Paiza?
Um,
Just normal?
yeah,
No exam?
no.
I thought you're in the exam, Paiza. No?
What?
I thought you do an exam. I mean,
Yeah,
like this week, right?
this week, no,
No exam this week?
no.
Okay, okay. Paiza, I have uh something for you. Uh, math competition. Okay?
Okay.
So Algonova have Algonova has math competition, and then you can join the competition. Okay, it's pretty nice competition. I mean, like, do not uh I don't know, but when I join a competition, I do not target the prize or the gift prize. I'll target the experience that I will get from that
Uh,
competition. Okay, by the way, Paisa, do you wanna play a game or you want to just keep learning directly? We have about 7 minutes for warming up.
let's play game.
Let's play. Okay, the last game, you wanna play the last game or you wanna play the other game? I don't know the other game, by the way.
Think
How? What?
another game.
Another game. Okay, hold on. Let me. Maybe this game is nice for us.
What?
Hold on.
I usually play Smash Cards.
Smash car. Oh,
Yeah.
it's pretty. Yeah, it's no. Paisa, it's almost same. Okay,
Okay.
hold on. Let me invite you. Okay, here we go. Drip
Uh,
IOE.
okay.
Wait, what?
Think-
Okay, your name is electriccopy.ixrape. That's your
Yeah.
name? Okay, let's play then. Let's battle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where are you guys? Oh my god.
What?
That's that's you are, Paisa.
Yeah. Well,
It's pretty almost. Oh my God. I couldn't reach you, Paisa. Oh my God.
No, shield.
Guys, where are you?
Well,
Mm.
oh,
Oh my God. That's our, oh my God. Oh my God. Round over. Okay. You wanna replay, Paisa?
yeah. Okay. One more.
Okay. One more time.
Ah. Ah.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my God, it's almost.
Oh. Ah. Oh, it's shield. Ah. No, 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 no,
Oh my God. Oh my God.
no. Ah.
Oh, it's almost.
Oh, no.
Oh, come on. Paisa breaks me. Oh, I think that was you, Paisa.
Yeah. Ooh. Ah.
Come on. Round over. Oh my God. I'm the winner, Paisa.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So satisfying. Okay. I think that's enough, Paisa. Okay. Yes,
Okay.
7 minutes. Okay. So, Paisa, today we will learn about loop for the second tool, for the second operator. What is that? It's for loop, Paisa. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. And then there we go. Could you see, Paisa?
Okay.
Am I lagging, by the way?
No.
Okay. So the second topic that we'll talk about is loop. Now, what is loop, Paisa? Did you remember what is loop, Paisa?
Hmm,
What is loop?
Loop.
Mm-hmm.
Mengulang.
Exactly, or repetition.
Yeah.
Okay. So, or a circle, you can say something like that. So, when we talk about loop, it means that we want to execute an action or a command again and again, or in a what in a range, something like that. Now the question is, we have we we have learned about while loop. Remember that, Paisa? And
Yeah.
then while loop will execute something endlessly. I mean, as long as the conditions remains true. Oke, okay? Paisa. Jadi selama kondisinya benar, dia akan mengeksekusi something atau action. But we can also create a counter with while loop. Jadi kita dapat membuat while loop dengan sebuah counter perhitungan. Oke, Paiza? Bisa seperti itu, bisa. Nah, pertanyaannya adalah apakah does while loop can do something like iterate something, melewati sesuatu satu persatu? I mean like this problem. Only Latin letters and numbers can be used in logins. The following symbols are forbidden, like equal, question mark, asterisk, square, and many more. The program should request a login and print forbidden characters, if any. So when you kind of type something like this, PW underscore with Lori, it will detect the forbidden character is underscore. The question is, does while loop do something like this, Paiza? Apakah while loop itu melakukan hal seperti ini? No, it can't. Definitely. Jadi dia nggak bisa. It means that we need something else to do that. What is that? Well, let's talk about the second topic for today. The second loop, we call it as a for loop. Now, what is for loop actually? Well, today we learn about for loop can be used to iterate. Iterasi itu artinya melewati elemen satu persatu atau step by step. Over the elements of sequence. Jadi melewati elemen secara sequence atau terurut. And learn and compare what's the difference between for and while loops. And then introduce mechanics into the friend around. After this lesson, Paisa, I hope, or Algonova hopes that you can create a project in the lab. Okay, Paisa, in the lab. And then program your own helper bot during the hackathon. And then the program like a recommendation or something like that, Paisa. Okay, now, did you remember, Paisa, what is while loop? Definition of while loop? What is while loop? While loop adalah while loop basically is operator that we can use to repeat something endlessly. Jadi dia bisa mengulangi sesuatu itu tanpa perhentian atau selamanya. Gitu. That's while loop. But for loop is the opposite, Paisa. What is that? Well, in formally speaking, for loop is something like this. Where's the wait, what? Yep. So for loop is iterating over elements of a final sequence. For loop itu dia itu berulang tapi ada batasannya. Jadi kalau while loop itu batasannya kalau kita buat counter, but for loop dia dari awal sudah ada batasan. Oke, Faiza?
Okay.
Now, ada dua kegunaan for loop and I'll show you with a code. Okay, Faiza? Let me
Okay.
show you with a code. Okay, first I will go to the lab and then for Faiza. Yep. And then hit enter into project. Okay, I will say something like this, Faiza. So while loop, I mean based on the mechanism, Faiza, while loop works endlessly. And okay, endlessly. Okay, but for loop in works to iterate something, a sequence of character or something, or you can say works in a certain range, something like that, Faiza. Now the difference is I want to show you something like when you want to iterate something, iterate itu melewati elemen satu persatu. Gimana caranya? Let's say I want to create a variable, the name is name. And then the name will be Paiza. Paiza. Okay. And then kalau Paiza ingin mengecek apakah atau mengiterasi melewati satu persatu elemen ini, F, A, E, Y, Z, and A, you need to say for Paiza something, whatever. You can say for Paiza or whatever. You can say for I, for num, for letter, whatever. Okay? For letter in name variable, it means that untuk setiap huruf yang ada di dalam nama, nanti huruf-hurufnya itu F, A, E, Y, Z sama A. Kalau Paiza bilang print kata Paiza, nah yang akan terjadi apa? Dia akan memprint, it will print the word Paiza how many times? Sebanyak berapa banyak karakter yang ada di name ini, Paiza?
Oh,
Nah,
okay.
itu. Oke? Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But, if you say, for letter in name, saya ingin memprint letter, hurufnya. Jadi dia akan ngeprint satu persatu ini, Faiza. F, A, E, Y, Z, and A. Something like that. Oke? Okay?
Okay.
You got it?
Got it.
Seriously?
Yeah.
But you look hesitant or something like that, Faiza. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now this is for iterating something. I mean, like you can say something like this later, Faiza. Maybe the password is equal to you want to use input function. Input. Enter your password. Password. And then let's say you want to create a password, forbidden character. You do not want to use this. I mean, you want the user have to use not this character. Oke, okay? Characters. Jadi karakter yang dilarang tuh misalnya ada apa ya? Misalnya ini nih. Nah, ini nih. Jadi nggak boleh ada ini nih, gitu. Misalnya nggak boleh ada ini nih, gitu, Paiza ya. Nah, caranya gimana? Something that you need to do, Paiza. You can say for something. something in password. Jadi apapun sesuatu yang saya tulis nanti, kalau kita gabung sekarang Pak Iza, kalau something itu, kalau huruf itu ada di dalam forbidden characters, ada di dalam karakter itu ada di dalam sini, maka tolong print karakternya atau somethingnya, kemudian apalah gitu. Nah, misalnya sekarang kita ngebuat password nih, Paiza. Kandungan passwordnya itu adalah begini. Kemudian Paiza. Nah, nah, dia akan mencari tahu, oh ini nih ada yang terlarang nih passwordnya gitu. Paham, Paiza?
Okay.
Okay, that's the first thing. Now the second thing, we do not, kita nggak hanya bisa melakukan iterasi, but we can do something else with for loop. What is that? We can create or repeat an action in a certain range. Jadi dia bisa mengulangi sesuatu berdasarkan range tertentu. Ada range perulangannya. It means that we need something for combining the for loop and that function. Nah, nama fungsinya itu kebetulan range gitu. Now, what is range function? Now, range function, it will return something like this, Paiza. So, it works like when you say range, dalam kurung, Paiza harus taruh angka di sini, itu misalnya 5, it will return from 0, menghitungnya dari 0. 2 sampai 5 kurang 1. Tapi banyaknya ada 5, Paiza. Oke? Paham? So, range 5 means that from 0 till 4 atau 5 kurang 1. Oke, Paiza? Paham? No? That's okay. I mean like kalau Paiza nanti nulisnya range, nanti saya perlihatkan penggunaannya. Cuman kalau nanti Paiza nulisnya range 5 like this, it will return a number from 0 till 5 kurang 1 sampai 4. Jadi diurutkan 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 Paiza. Like this. Okay? You got it?
God.
Are you okay, Faiza? Faiza? You okay?
Okay.
Okay. The next is kalau Faiza nanti nulis, if you write something like range Z1 till 5, maka the starting point is 1, habis itu 2, 3, sampai pokoknya 5 kurang 1, sampai 4 berarti. Gitu. Oke, Faiza? Oke. Nah, sekarang di mana kita menggunakannya? Here, Faiza. Jadi, penggunaannya itu kurang begini. Jadi misalnya Faiza mau bilang for sesuatu number in range 10. Nah, print number. Jadi untuk angka pada rentang 10, saya ingin print angkanya. Maka dia akan mengembalikan dari 0 hingga 9, Faiza. Tapi sebanyak 10 kali. Ini nih, 10 kali kan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Pokoknya 10 ini. Dari 0 sampai 9 itu sebanyak 10. 10 times, 10 kali. Oke? Nah sekarang, kalau Paiza misalnya mulainya dari 2. Nah, maka nanti dia nggak mulai dari 0. Spesifiknya dia mulai dari 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ya, 10 kurang 1. Gitu. Oke, Paiza? Nah, tapi ini bukan yang pentingnya. Yang pentingnya itu apa? Yang pentingnya dengan range ini, Paiza dapat mengulangi sesuatu berapa kali yang Paiza inginkan. Misal, for apa in range misalnya 10, maka saya ingin print nama saya itu adalah Faiza. Nah, maka dia akan ngeprint nama Faiza dalam range 0 sampai 9, 10 kali. Nah, gitu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gitu, Faiza. Paham?
Paham.
Oke. Nah, sekarang I wanna give you an example from here, Faiza. You can choose which number that you want.
Hackathon.
Huh?
Hackathon.
Hackathon? Okay. Oh, it's just the task, Pfizer.
Oh,
So, yeah, I mean, like, you have to go to the lab and then create your own project with something that you have been, yeah, you have learned from first lesson till, yeah, till today. Okay, Pfizer?
okay.
Okay. And then you can use a Google or ChatGPT or Gemini to create a project, but you have to kind of have a responsible for that. I mean, like you have to know what's the explanation. Okay, I will do the additional task, Paiza. You can choose which one. Oke, biasanya yang nomor terakhir yang dikatakan susah nih. Atau Paiza, maybe you have a recommendation. Hmm, kok loading? Nah, mau yang mana nih Paiza? You can choose.
Oh, but
Oke.
star number or additional test, yeah.
Yeah. Which one? Additional task?
Iya, additional test.
Okay, which number? Ada yang bilang di sini additional task, use new operators, break and continue. Break itu adalah dia menghentikan programnya apapun yang terjadi. Continue itu dia akan melanjutkan programnya apapun yang terjadi. Jadi meskipun keadaannya terpenuhi, dia akan melanjutkannya. Oke, which one, Faiza? 6,
What
30?
is
Hah?
stars 3?
Start.
Start. It's not start.
Oh, start 3. This one?
Iya.
Okay, let's get started. So, we have something. So if the user has forgotten the password, the authorization is done using a phone number. The program reads the phone. If the number contains characters other than numbers and the plus sign, program outputs wrong number, wrong phone number and shut down. Okay, so we need to create something like this, I guess. First, if the program number contains character other than numbers, okay, it means we need to create something like this, Paiza. Phone number is equal to INT input. Oh no, we do not need to use INT because it contains plus. So we need to say enter the phone number. Okay, Paiza, colon. Now we need to kind of do something, validate something like this. Okay, we need to say something like this. Number is equal to plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, excuse me. Like this. This is kind of yep, kind of number and yeah, the number. Now we need to say something like for character or we can say for number in phone number if Paiza, if what? If number not in numbers. Jadi kalau nggak ada karakter di sini, maka yang harus kita lakukan apa? Yang harus kita lakukan adalah print wrong number, wrong phone number. Oke, jadi haruslah yang ada itu plus atau enggak angka dari 0 sampai 9. Jadi kalau enggak ada itu, maka kita harus bilang print wrong phone number. Oke, Pak Iza? I think that's all. Oke, now plus 62, bla 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 bla. Nothing happens. Nah, sekarang kalau kita plus bla bla bla. Oh my God. Plus bla bla bla. For number in phone number, if number not in number. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. It should be with S here, Paiza. There we go. Blah, blah, blah. Yep, exactly right. Jadi, kalau kita menulis plus 62, kemudian kita tambahkan huruf, misalnya kemudian begini, maka dia akan cek wrong phone number. Nah, kalau dia semuanya huruf, angka dan ada tanda plusnya, maka dia akan bilang itu benar. Gitu, Paiza. Oke?
Yeah.
You got it?
Got it.
Okay. Enough or you wanna an example again?
I think enough.
Enough. Okay. Now you can share your screen, Paiza, and then, yep, let's do the task.
Okay. Task occasional.
Okay. Sorry.
System.
Okay, Paiza.
First character.
Okay, what will be the first character, Paiza? For sign in text, if sign is A, maka print bintang. Ellipse sign is G, print square. Ellipse sign is O, break. And else print the sign. Okay. So, what will be the sign? Sign-nya itu apa aja, Pak Isa? Could you tell me what will be the sign? I mean, what is the sign will be, Pak Isa? Jadi sign-nya itu apa aja kira-kira?
What this?
No, sign-nya itu kan dia bilang for sign in text. Now what is sign? Sign-nya akan menjadi apa aja? A, L,
E, E, G, O.
A, L, G, and O, right?
Yeah.
Now, if the sign, kan itu, it will iterate one by one, right, Paiza?
Yeah.
Now, it says, if the sign is A, what will happen? What it gonna print? It's gonna print what?
Okay.
It's gonna print, yeah, exactly, the asterisk. Okay. Now, what is if it's L, Paiza? L. Are you sure? Are you sure, Paiza? The character is not printed. The algorithm shut down. Which one explains that? I mean, which block of codes?
The second character, right?
Yeah. The second character is L. You're right about that. But I mean, like, the second character should be L, right?
Yeah.
Now, could you tell me why the output will be the character is not printed? The program will shut down instead?
Because there was an L.
Yeah, no, it means that it will go to the else block, right? So if it's
Oh,
else, it will print the sign, print the L itself, right, Paisa? Right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it will, yeah, it goes to L. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oops. I think you need to, yep. Okay. Now the next is G. What it will be?
G.
Will print a square. Exactly right. Yep,
Okay.
that's the last one. If it's O, it will print
Oh, okay.
breaks.
Okay. I know it.
Yeah, we need to process that, Paisa. I feel you. Okay.
Was the spray. Oh. Ah,
Huh? What the? Seriously?
this. Ah,
Hmm. No, 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 Paisa. I don't think so.
nitrogen.
You were right. I mean, like, yeah. Hmm. It's weird, Paisa. What happens? Go to your. Hmm. That's weird. Could you hit the button again? Wait, what? Could we see, Paisa, the answer? That's not right. That's not right completely. That's not right. I mean, like, your answer is right, Paisa.
This.
No, no, no. I mean, go to the solution. Yep.
Solution.
Go down, down. The green one.
Ah,
What? It's pretty much same, Paisa, right?
yeah.
Asterisk, L, square. Oh
Right.
my God. I think it's bugging, Paisa. So you do not need to worry about it. Next number, Paisa. For I in range 10, if input password is equal to pass 123, you need to say print true. Uh-huh. Yep, exactly. We need to break that one. Okay, Paisa. Break. Exactly right.
So if I in range.
Okay. The next thing. Result is empty. For I in range 1 till 10, if I mod 3 or we can say reminder 3 is equal to 0. Jadi kalau I-nya itu dibagi 3, tidak ada sisanya, break. Dia akan menghentikan programnya. Oke? Ya, berhenti. Nah, tapi if it's not, dia akan result plus stri. Dia akan menambahkan di result tuh angka tersebut yang dijadikan string. And then print result at the end. Now the question is, what will be the I, Paiza? That's my first question. It's gonna be what?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, till?
1 to 10 minus 1.
Yeah, exactly. 1 until 10 minus 1, 1 till 9. Okay, Paiza,
Yeah.
that's right. Now, could you tell me one, let's make it kind of one by one. If one remainder with 3 is 0, is that true or false, Paiza?
1.
Satu itu habis nggak dibagi 3?
Enggak.
No, it means it will pass the if and then it will go to the result. Now, could you tell me the result will be string 1, right, Paiza?
Yeah.
Okay. And then now, yeah, that's the first iteration, Paiza. Now the second, how about the second?
Second. Not.
What? What did you say, Paiza?
Not.
No, no. Oh, yeah. It means that it will go to the result.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it goes to the result. Exactly right. Okay. Now, how about the third iteration?
It's top.
Yeah, it will stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, it stops the program, and then finally it will print the result.
Yeah.
What the result goes to, Paiza? Dia akan menjadi apa resultnya tadi?
1.
1, 1, 2, right? Or 12 in string. Okay,
Yeah.
Paiza? Yeah, exactly. So you can say result is string 12, Paiza.
Wow. 12.
Whiz. Nice. Number 4. Wait, what? Huh? It's pretty much same. Oh my god. It's lagging, I guess. Oh, continue. No, Paiza. It
Oh,
will
yeah.
continue. So it will skip the 3. Yep, it will skip. No, 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 no. Yeah, it will skip the 3. So the output, yeah, the output goes to 1, 2. 3 will be skipped. 4, 5, 6 will be skipped also. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7,
5, 7,
8.
8.
1, 2. Yeah, exactly.
1, 2.
1, 2,
Like this.
3. Excuse me. 4, 5,
5, 7.
7, 8.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.
Oh. I mean, I must put the comma.
Oh, okay. No.
If one that the input of the method is requested, the model is run before so then before facing the program shutdown.
Mm-hmm.
Fix mistake in cartoon recommendation. Hmm, Stop.
Come on, Paisa. I Okay, if the number is equal, remember, Paisa, double equal because it's an expression. So the number is equal to one. You need to give us a preference, and then you need to use input function, input.
Uh,
And then you need to make sure that the the if should be inside the if. Again, yep. Now, if the preference is pun, I think it's the word pun, maybe, Pfizer. It's not a variable, right? Uh-huh. Quotation. Yeah. And don't forget, it should be double equal. Exactly. And then print cartoon Shrek. It's it should be Pfizer, the print at the sixth line should
okay.
be, yeah, yeah. It's yeah, it goes to the middle. I mean, like, it has
Uh,
exactly.
this
Oh, no, no. I mean, go to the right.
turn off. What?
I mean, like this. Hold on.
Okay.
Like this. Ta-da! Like that.
Ah,
And then this one also should be like that.
ah,
Okay. Now, yep, you need to repeat the program. Okay, I think that's. Oh, hold on. You need to make sure that you can block the code Paisa and then give it quotation. Okay, you can run your code Paisa.
you.
What? What? Seriously? What? Paisa? You must be joking, right? It's flat.
Wait.
It,
Oh,
it doesn't work.
oh,
Up. Yep. You
uh,
can directly say up, Paisa. Checklist and up. Doesn't work. Let me see. Okay. Oh, it's not pun. Instead it's punny, Paisa. It
one
says like
point
that. It's punny.
one.
No, checklist.
Uh,
You can checklist and up. You can say, yow, nice. Okay. How about this, Pfizer? Mm, oh, you have to create a algorithm that can guess something, and then it can kind of ah count how many guess did did you do, Pfizer? Mm-hmm. Come on, Pfizer.
Game.
Game name?
Mm.
I think you're right, Pfizer. And then you can use for I in range 4, I guess. Yeah, for I in range 1 till 4.
For I.
For number, whatever actually. Okay.
Wait. This and okay. Ah. For I and something. For you. Mhm.
Come on, Pfizer.
Okay.
If, are you sure if I think you need to say if game name, right?
Oh yeah.
Is Piva. Exactly, Pfizer.
Yeah, yeah. If game name.
Is it equal with the word pipa? Pipa, 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 pi.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, what do you wanna? Oh, we do not need that because I basically is a number, Paisa,
Oh,
right?
oh yeah.
So if the game name is Pipa, we can say print congratulations. You guys the right number. You guys the right on attempt. Congratulations. Yeah. Oh my God. Come on, Faiza. There we go. Okay. And then quotation mark, comma, I, right, Faiza?
Yes.
Because I its number. Now, it means that we need after the guessing is right, Faiza. Okay? After the guessing was right, we need to do something like break, right? I mean, like, we do not want to continue the loop, right, Faiza?
Yeah.
Because the guessing was right. Okay? So you need to say after the print, you need to say break.
Wait.
Exactly. I think that's all, Faiza. You can try. Badminton. What? Wait, what? Huh? Seriously? Hold on, Faiza. Hold on. I wanna. Okay. Okay. Read. Wait, what? If the game name is Piva, huh? Oh, Paiza. Now you need to copy and paste the second line and then put it, align it with the if. Yep. I'm so sorry. No, 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 no. After the break, after the word break, Paiza.
Okay.
And then it's not inside the if. It should be align it. Segaris. It should be align. Uh-huh. Yeah, okay. Now you can try. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. 3 times. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, Paiza. I think it's enough for you, okay? It's yeah, it's enough. Okay, Paiza, I need you to stop your screen sharing. I want to tell you something. So, Paiza, uh, till today, you have learned about something that you can use to create your first project in lab. Okay?
Okay.
I mean, like, I recommend you to create your own project, and then let's discuss about that in the next meet. Could we do that? But this is not mandatory project. Okay, it's just like optional project for you. Okay. Okay. So I want to say, yeah. What do you think, Paiza? What did something that we learned today? Could you tell me?
Iteration.
What? E?
It,
That's okay.
iteration.
Iteration. Okay. And then
The loop.
for loop. Exactly right. So now, can you tell me, Paiza, why do we need to use for loop? Why don't we just use a while loop?
because and
It's because.
because and what's that? Wait,
Mm-hmm.
because and for a loop
Mm-hmm. For loop.
it can
Mm-hmm.
can
It can execute something
yeah, if it can execute something.
in a certain limit,
Yes.
right? In a
Yeah.
certain range. Besides, while loop can execute
Not,
something
yeah.
as long as the condition is true, right? Remains true.
Right.
Okay, that's the main difference. Okay, Paisa, now could you tell me what is range function?
Range function
Mm-hmm.
that was
Mm-hmm.
very wait, I think repetition.
Yeah, a function that returns repetition
Repetition.
or a number in a certain
Number.
range or interval, right, Paisa?
Right.
Okay, yep, you're right. So today we did something like first, all of that is about for loop.
Okay.
And for loop, yeah, with for loop, we can do something like iterate a character or element. And then the second, we can execute an action in a certain interval or a certain range. These three things that we did learn today. Okay, Paisa?
Okay.
Now, I hope you create your own project. Remember that, Paisa, in our lab. And then I want to say thank you so much for today because you did something, I mean, the task great. I mean, I think you're pastor now, Paisa. I'm glad of that. Okay? But
Okay.
the most important thing I want to tell you is I really appreciate your hard work. I mean, like, I do not, you know, my first concern it's not about Paisa can solve the problems. No, my first concern is about how hard Paisa works for the task. That's my first concern, Paisa. Okay? And I want to say thank you so much for that. Okay? And you should keep that character because it's very, very important, Paisa. Okay. The second thing is I'm so sorry if my explanation wasn't clear. I'll always try my best in each class of mine. So yeah, in the next meet, I'll try my best also. Okay, Paisa?
Okay.
Do you have something to tell me?
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
thing,
Nothing?
thing.
Okay. The last one, I wanna give you a coin, Paisa.
Wait,
Yeah.
but
Uh,
why I did
you
this?
what? Paisa?
This I cannot max this task. I don't know.
The what tasks?
This I don't like what
Oh,
yeah.
hold on. How much do you rate the rest from 1 to what did not you like? Which what what lesson is this, Paisa?
I think it was number three. Hmm?
Oh, number 3. Let
Yeah.
me show that. Oh no no. I just want to see from you.
Alright.
Number what number? 8?
Eight, yeah.
Second part or first part?
Second.
Hmm. Mm, I think you need to create something first, Paiza. Oh, no. No, you do not need that. I think you do not need to use INT, Paiza. It's fine. Just using yep.
Yes.
And then do not use yep. No, 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 no. No.
Oh.
Yep. Oops.
Oh.
There we go. Now you can try. And then, okay.
Oh.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I have added a coins for you, 30 coins. Oh, no, no. I have to edit 70 coins because you haven't rescheduled your reschedule. Wow, that's great for you, Paisa. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. I think that's all for today, Paisa. You wanna tell me something else?
No.
No?
It's enough.
Okay. It means I will see you next meet. Okay,
Okay.
Paisa? Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.